This is a crazy situation. I can only question the why. We are guided in direction, told not to question the why. Never challenge with intention, just follow the direction. Going through the motion with few moments that we smile. Stand with exception, stand out a mile. Thinking with illusion, defiant in your mind. Labeled as an outcast, accused of being unkind. Now I am free as a bird. I don't question my existence. I don't need your assistance. I am free as a bird. I just wanted more. Ambition was my drive, to raise my game and smiling so I can feel alive. Searching for answers to find my potential, purpose for my soul. It was essential. I found my acceptance, my flaws and imperfections. I own all of my choices. I don't need your election. I can smile with intention, but for longer this time. Now I am free as a bird. I don't question my existence. I don't need your assistance. I am free as a bird. I just wanted more. Ambition was my drive, to raise my game and smiling so I can feel alive. Ooh.